Woodpeckers Precision 12-inch woodworking square. Every woodworker needs a precise square, and every woodworking project relies on the quality of a square for the quality of the finished projects. And the Woodpeckers Precision 12-inch woodworking square is the square to meet that need. What makes the Precision 12-inch woodworking square so accurate is that both the blade and base are made from a single plate of aircraft-grade aluminum, which is meticulously machined with state-of-the-art CNC equipment, resulting in a higher degree of square. With accuracy better than 1/1000th of an inch over its entire 8 by 12-inch size, will enhance the accuracy of your work. The handles of the square are attached with stainless steel pins for rigidity and alignment, and brings the overall width of the base to 3/4 of an inch. With that much mass at the bottom, the square easily sits solid, which allows for a hands-free check of cabinet parts. All the aluminum parts are anodized for surface durability, and the scales are laser engraved on each side in 1/16 graduations on the 12-inch square. On the 300mm metric version, the scales are laser engraved on each side in 1mm graduations. The inside scale zeroes out to the edge of the board for accurate measuring and marking. Handling of the square is further improved with a finger slot machined in the 1/4-inch thick 12-inch blade, giving you greater control when checking the square of your board. Each Precision woodworking square comes fitted in a wall-mounted case for protection and accessibility. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the Precision 12-inch woodworking square is manufactured in our plant just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.